Hey everybody, Professor Bentley with a look ahead as to what is going to be happening next week with Unit 5. Can't believe we're already into week 5. But anyway, Monday, my office hours will be held from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time as usual. In our chat, very last chat, I get very sad with our very last chat. Chat number 5 will be held as regularly scheduled on Tuesday, which will be October 29th. Oh my gosh. So Monday, October 28th is my office hours. Tuesday, October 29th is the final chat, a regularly scheduled time. Check your class schedule. And the remaining Unit 4 due dates. Unit 4 due dates, so very important to keep up with. You have, first of all, your original post for Unit 4 discussion board. If you have not gotten that in, get that in. This is such an important assignment. I can't emphasize how important it is. Get that in, please. So your Unit 4 discussion board original post, you need to get that in. Tuesday, which will be October 29th, you're going to have two things due. The first thing you're going to have due is Unit 4 in Telepath. And the second thing you're going to have due is Unit 4 discussion board responses. And after October 29th, I will not accept, Unit 4 discussion board responses. So get those in, everybody. Don't get 15 points taken right off the bat just because you didn't respond to your classmates on time or you didn't respond to them at all. Let's get this Unit 4 discussion board in. It's extremely important. I'm available. If you have absolutely any questions, you can do it. It's very similar to Unit 4, very similar to Unit 2 discussion board. We're just building a little on what we did in Unit 2 discussion board. So please get these in. Also, your Unit 5, can't believe we're talking about this, your Unit 5 due dates. Friday, November 1st, you're going to have your Unit 5 determined knowledge due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then Tuesday, the 5th of November, you will have your Unit 5 in Telepath due, and that's the last assignment for this semester. So let's get these last assignments in. You can do it. Stay C2 strong, and let me know if you have absolutely any questions. I'm here for you. Have a good one, everybody.